Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how you can set up your Wi-Fi internet connection on your Xbox Series X, or how you can change it to a different wireless router. So what you want to do is on the home menu, go to the upper left hand corner where your little profile icon is and click A on that. And then click the B button on your controller to take you back to the profile and system area. Then go down and click where it says settings, click A on that. And then in the General Settings tab, what you want to do is go over and find where it says Network Settings, select that. And then it will show you your current network status, what you're hooked into. But again, if you want to hook up to a different connection or a new connection altogether, click Set Up Wireless Network. And then it's going to search for wireless routers in your area, and you're going to have to choose one of those to connect to. So let's say I wanted to connect to 10 to 22, for instance, I would select that. And then you have to enter in your wireless router password. And then once you have the password entered in, go ahead and click enter, or the 3 horizontal lines that are on your controller. And then it should check the connection, make sure everything is working properly. And then if it's successful, it'll say it's all good, your console is connected to the internet, and then you just click continue. And you should be good to go at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.